Well, there's an excitement in the air always when you come to these events.
It's a great mechanism to get the latest news on what's going on at Plex.
For us, it's an opportunity to learn about what's coming up, what's ahead, what's new, so that we can stay ahead of our competition.
Probably the biggest value is getting to meet with peers and seeing how other companies use the system.
And other people are here for that same thing, is to get that shared user experience. The hardest thing for me has been deciding which track to attend and which of the sessions to see.
The breakout sessions give you a little more in-depth coverage of the available functionality in Plex.
PowerPlex is a place where I can come and learn new things, new inventions, new techniques that they may have. It's not only informative, but it's also fun, and you can make new friends.